Good morning, everyone. I'm Aodeng from Beijing Institute of Technology. I'm very pleased to share our work. InReAcTable, LLM-powered interactive visual data story construction from tabular data. Tabular data is a fundamental format for representing complex information in a wide range of domains, from business analytics to social science and healthcare. It consists of many data insights that are valuable patterns that highlight key statistical information. Based on the scope and the perspective of data patterns, we divide them into three categories. The point insights capture key data points or outliers. It describes the characteristics of having several prominent data values within a subspace, including dominance, top two, outlier, and outstanding active. The shape insights describe data distributions and overall trends within a data scope, including trends, screwness, curtices, and evenness. Compound insights reveal relations between different groups of entries within a data scope. It helps uncover relations and dependencies between various data subsets, including temporal correlation, linear correlation, and dependence. The visual data story construction involves a series of data analysis operations, such as insight extraction to discover insight, and filtering, sorting, and grouping to organize related data insights. Here is a brief example. As shown in Insight A, Microsoft has an outlier in total sales in 2014. The user wants to uncover the reason behind this sales outlier. She reveals many insights, most of which are not directly related to the outlier, such as Insight B. The sales of Xbox 360 exhibit a downward trend, and there is no abrupt rise in 2014, which is irrelevant to Insight A's outlier. Until the users discovered Insight C, the sales of Xbox One in all regions remain at zero in 2013, but experienced a significant increase in 2014. She speculates that the release of Xbox One attracted a large number of users to purchase it, contributing to the 2014 sales outlier. From this example, we can see that the process needs to manually explore the data back and forth, which relies heavily on the user's experience and expertise. To assist users in constructing data stories, previous work mainly falls into two directions. The automated methods can generate insights quickly, but the sheer volume can be overwhelming, and the process often relies on trial and error. And the LLM-empowered methods are easy to use, which let LLMs drive the whole data exploration process, but lack user participation and may not fit their analytic goals. This motivates the needs for a method that is both efficient and user-aligned. Designing such a method faces two main challenges. The first is the information overload. Tabular data extraction results in a large number of discrete insights, which poses difficulty in organizing them into meaningful narratives. And the second is a dynamic intent. Relevance of insights changes with users' evolving analytic intent. An insight that is important in one situation may be less relevant in another, requiring dynamic ways to connect them. So to address these challenges, we propose InReAcTable. We let users guide the process through interaction, capturing their intuition and analytic goals. And we let LLMs in the reasoning module to interpret intent and connect relevant insights. And we leverage computational engine in the acting module to extract and filter insights efficiently. It is an interactive framework, where each user interaction triggers an iterative loop in which the acting module constructs a subspace graph and filters the search space. And the reasoning module uses retrieval-augmented generation with the LLMs to identify the top K relevant insights. Together, they recommend insights that align with the user's intent and ensure narrative coherence. To leverage the strengths of each of the three modules, the input to each module must consider its own characteristics. Therefore, we designed three different formats of data insights tailored to specific roles. The textual descriptions are generated for the reasoning module. The visualizations are presented to the interaction module. And a connected insight graph is constructed for the acting module. In the InReAcTable pipeline, starting with an input table, users select subspaces, activating the interaction module to automatically extract insights and generate visualizations. Users can review attribute information, make selections, and pose targeted queries. For the currently focused insights, the acting module locates the data subspace where the insight resides and then search the subgraph for connected subspace to perform structural filtering, resulted in a candidate insight list that effectively narrows the search space. Then the reasoning module first transforms the insights into textual descriptions and then performs sentence embedding. Subsequently, similarity retrieval is executed based on both the current insight and the user's query to obtain the top K insights. These insights are then input into LLMs for semantic reasoning, generating insight recommendations to guide users in iterative analysis, automatically constructing a coherent visual data story. Based on the InReAcTable framework, we develop a prototype system, InReAcTable system, to empower analysts in tabular data story construction. The system consists of three interconnected panels: the data subspace selection panel, the iterative exploration panel, and the insight information panel. We demonstrate InReAcTable using a real-world dataset that shows game console sales information from various hardware companies and their brands, covering different locations and time, totaling 1,280 sales values. The video shows the first analysis stage of the use case. After uploading the table, the system conducts automatic insight extraction, recommending several data insights to inspire the initial exploration. The analyst began with a time series outlier insight, which is derived from the subspace company equals Microsoft, which revealed a significant sales outlier of Microsoft in 2014 and followed by a continuous decline. And he checked other insights of this subspace and noticed that Microsoft sales was unevenly distributed seasonally, which generally exhibits similar seasonal trends across most years. However, the critical year of 2014 did not follow this pattern. So the analysts added this insight to the next layer and posed a question to know whether these insights are correlated. The reasoning module returned three insights detailing its sales patterns across different months. The temporal outlier exists in September and December, which is consistent with the overall trend of Microsoft. The analysis concluded that the sales surge in these 2 months was a primary contributor to the temporal outlier. After 3-round iterative exploration, the analysts explored different potential causes of the initial insight from multiple perspectives, finally obtained a tree-structured data story, capturing these insights and their relationships as shown in this figure. For the user experiment, we recruited 18 participants and conducted a comparative study with AWS QuickSight and UIST. We designed 2 tasks. Task 1 for free-form exploration, where participants freely explored tables to build data stories. And task 2 for target-driven exploration, where they answered a specific question with the help of the assigned system. In both tasks, the qualitative and quantitative results demonstrate the strong capability of our system in supporting data analysis. We also collected feedbacks from participants on the 3 systems. in which the InReAcTable received positive feedback on both system design and data analysis experience. In conclusion, our work makes three main contributions. We propose an LLM-powered framework that combines structural and semantic filtering to connect related data insights and construct coherent narratives. We develop a prototype system that allow users to interactively guide the construction of data stories. And we conduct a user experiment and usage scenario to demonstrate the usability and effectiveness of our approach. Looking ahead to future work, we plan to expand the generalizability of the framework to more diverse data types, such as time series, hierarchical, and multimodal data, and broader visual analytic tasks. Its modular architecture paves the way for future visual analytic systems, where flexibility and modularity make tools more adaptive and user-centric. We also aim to enhance our interaction by implementing advanced filtering techniques to improve usability, and we will work on accuracy and response time, improving LLM output with domain-specific datasets, and reducing latency through model distillation. That concludes my presentation. Thanks for listening.
One quick question.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. So I think your framework from interaction to acting and to reasoning is very interesting. So do you think that this framework can be applied to, for example, other types of data or other types of tasks or even broader domains? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your question. Yes, our InReActable framework is designed for tabular data, but the insight-centric approach, such as extracting and organizing data insights, can be extended to other data types. And also at the task level, our modular architectures can be applied to broader visual analytics systems as they divide tasks into reasoning and acting, making the system flexible. So it provides a template for building such visual analytic tools beyond tabular data.
All right. Thank you, Gerile,